Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have a outdoor furniture set today with us from IKEA. It is a combination of LACKO, the outdoor table, and Vassholmen, the outdoor chairs. So LACKO is made up of iron and it is perfect for your outdoor furniture because it requires very less maintenance and it's very easy to clean this product. The height of this product is 71 centimeter and the diameter is around 70 centimeter. So it weighs around 8.3 kg. The product is quite strong and sturdy as it is made up of iron basically. The LACKO outdoor table cost around 4490 in INR, and if you are looking for an outdoor table then you can go for it. To complement the outdoor LACKO table, you can go with the Vassholmen chairs. These chairs are made up of plastic rattan, as you see here. These are handmade by skilled craftspeople, which makes it very unique product. It comes with a black and white color, as you see here. And when I was recording this video, it was an offer, sales offer of 3990. Generally it cost around 7950. You see the dimension here, the width, depth and height of the chairs. I'm not sure if they still have the sales on or not, but you can definitely check on the IKEA sites or the sale details. And yes, it is quite comfortable and soft when you sit on this plastic rattan. Again, the graphic pattern on the seat and the back is woven by hand from artificial rattan and is matched by black and white details around the leg of the chair. The materials used here are weather resistant, durable and easy to care. I hope you like this video. Do let us know how you felt about this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time. Thank you.